How to fix emo call problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix emo call problem on Android phone. First open settings and here just scroll down until you find apps and now click apps again and here just type emo and click on it. And as you see now, all you need to do just click here for stop and go to permissions and here allow this one microphone and camera, and that's it. And now your problem must be fixed. Then just go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and click this one, draw over other apps and allow it, and then just go to Play Store and check if there is an update here, and then just update your emo. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.